point, except as may be referred.
He's been king since he was 3 years old, but finally Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukidi IV is taking up the reins of his kingdom following his coronation after he turned 18. For the past 15 years following his father's death in 1995, the Tooro Kingdom in Uganda has been ruled by elders who have now handed back power.
I want to thank the regents in a special way for performing my administrative duties. Let the kingdom continue benefiting from your experience and wisdom.
The world's youngest king only has administrative powers over his kingdom. Under Ugandan law, Tooro must behave strictly as a cultural institution. His symbolic authority covers the area known as the Mountains of the Moon, straddling the borders of Uganda and the Democratic Republic of Congo. During the ceremony, drummers entertain the guests with a traditional Mpango dance.
While they play the drums, it represents the breathing of the Tooro people. And while they dance, I think you saw them dance to the drum beats. They dance and simulate breathing actions as well. His people breathe with the throne breathes with his people. So really it's the function where he allows new breath into the kingdom.
King Oyo may well have the newfound fame and fortune that comes with his traditional role, but he's shown himself to be a very modern man.
I know the task has not been easy for you, especially as a single parent, but you've done very, very, very well. Thank you very much, Mama.
King Oyo's new role may only be largely symbolic, but for the thousands of people who came to see him, definitely worth celebrating.
A message in the form of the sermon. I would like to ask us to read.
And all these spears of Amahango have their names, particular names. So you listen and hear Chikali, Nuko, Amahango. Amahango, Agonagamisa, Abakama, Evaposaga, Kumikariona, Omukama, Tialemaga Pork, Omukama Babuan Lag, Omukama Babaga Pulinda to Omukama.
In addition to health, food security is going to be our key areas of intervention. Every family must have enough food to eat, store, and sell for income. We have to revive the old system of having a granary in each and every home.
I hope there is agreement now that you cannot find this kind of dance. Perhaps you can find a bit of it in Bunyoro because we are sisters.
I was among those that supported the traditional institutions for those that wished to restore them or to create new ones. My support for you was because I knew there are a lot of linkages among our people. And I wanted you to use culture to bring up those linkages, not to prove how separate you are. No, that was not my aim.
We, your people, that you will indeed grow in
ready since the day I was crowned. So I think it shouldn't be a problem for me.
But it is these young people that Oyo wants to get close to when he finally runs his affairs.
I think education is a very important thing, especially for the youth. You know, with that we can ensure that Tooro has a bright future.
Mountain expedition. As we embark on this premiere of the King Oyo Renzori mountain documentary, let us be ever mindful of our responsibility to protect and preserve our environment through reasonable tourism promotion, vibrant conservation initiatives, and unbridled sincere government support in which we can create a sustainable future for Tooro Kingdom, Uganda, and the entire
New Subs Fashions tukutuusako ebiteeteeyi kw'ossa abaya, engatto, ensawo z'abakyala, jackets, jeans n'ebirala. Tusangibwa ku Wilson Street ku kizimbe ekya Sunset Arcade ground floor shop number 2. Okututuukako va ku Pioneer Mall, otambule ngadda ku Arua Park, yisa ekizimbe ekya Wilson 1 oyite ku Health Link Pharmacy. Kati awo weekoma yambuka amadaala gakuyingize ku Sunset Arcade. Awo ng'otutuuseeko. Engoye zaffe tuzijja China, Egypt, Vietnam n'amawanga amalala. Omukyala omwambazi omulungi ayambala naffe. Be Easy Hotel and Bar tusangibwa Nsago ku lw'Ennakawuka. Ku lw'empeereza ennungi tukola essaawa 24. Tulina ebifo ebisulwamu nga biyonjo, ebiddaabirizibwa buli kadde, ebyemizannyo ng'okulaga omupiira, okuzannya pool n'ebirala. Ebbaala ejjudde obulungi, emmere ekutuukako mangu, paakingi nnungi ate nga security eri gguluggulo. Okubuukinga n'okumanya ebisingawo kuba ku 0790 79 12 04 oba 058 98 77 34. You are not easy when you are not at Be Easy Hotel and Bar. Come and experience the ultimate in comfort, entertainment, and security with Be Easy Hotel and Bar, Nsago, Nakauka Road.
Omuzadde kankwanjulire Kikaya College School Bulenga lya kisulo n'abava ebweru, ly'abawala n'abalenzi, ligatta amadeeni gonna, liviira ddala ku siniya esooka paka ku y'omukaaga, lisomesa arts ne sciences. Omwana bamubangulira ddala, tebakoma kusoma busomi kyokka, bamutendeka emirimu gy'omu mutwe omuli okwokya welding, okusiba amazzi, okusiba enviiri, okukosa okufumba oba kiyite catering and hotel management, okuzimba, okutunga oba kiyite fashion and designing, okukanika emmotoka, okukosa amasannyalaze, ku bitone by'abayizi b'ekansa omuli okuyimba, okusamba omupiira wamu n'okubaka, endya y'abaana nnungi, layibulale ya mulembe. Ow'ekisulo osasula emitwalo 69. Okwo nno kwe kuli okulya, okusula, okusoma n'endabirira endala yonna. Lisangibwa Bulenga ku Mityana Road, kilomita 7 zokka okuva e Kampala. Kuba ku 0772 44 42 79.